All right, this is my review of the Cobra Grips Pro. Here's how they work. Put your hand in there like that, tighten it up, and grip it around. Now you're good to go. So if you're deadlifting, you'd go down, get the bar, and then you'd wrap it like that, and you're just able to pull really easily without having to worry about holding it with your hands. So if you've got any sort of elbow issues, grip issues, like tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, these are going to be a game changer for you. You're going to start going up in weight again, and you're not going to be feeling any pain or anything. It just helps you deal with like heavier stuff, like heavy rows, heavy deadlifts. Honestly, this can even help people doing like pull-ups. It just makes your grip more confident and secure, and really you don't have to worry about it at all. When you get to those points with lifts where the main problem you have is, oh my God, I hope my hands are going to hold it, switch to these grips and it's going to be a game changer for you. I promise.